Welcome to Creative Momentum's Make It, Mean It, guided meditation for drafting exquisite art of any genre in 10 minutes. In this meditation, we're going to channel the Fool card. Let's begin by sitting or standing quietly for a moment. Close your eyes if you like. Take a few deep breaths. Notice the part of yourself that loves to play and to go on adventures. Breathe into that part of yourself. Let's begin the make it part of our meditation where we let our associative mind play around. You're welcome to meditate in response to the prompts or to let the prompts guide you to draft a piece of art of any genre. And you can respond to the prompts as yourself or as a character, and you can take them as literally or imaginatively as you like. What promise did you smell on the breeze? Describe that smell. How did the smell of that promise turn you into a new creature? What did you feel drawn towards? Name the leap of faith that you took. Depict that leap of faith. What is it about free falling that you trust? Find a stopping place. This completes the make it part of our meditation, and now we'll begin mean it. So, in this next stage of the creative process, we look back at what we just envisioned, explored, or created, and we identify the resonant elements that arose. So, look back or think back at what you created and notice all of the repeated words, images, as well as anything surprising. You can pause the recording and take a moment to circle anything surprising or repeated. And now notice if any of the following themes or symbols from the Fool Tarot card have shown up in what you envisioned or created. And see if these themes or symbols help you understand your exploration so that you can further articulate the questions you're asking or the story you're telling. The Fool symbolizes innocence, risk, and beginnings. The Fool is an inner child, an innocent adventurer who sets off to see the world and gain experience. The Fool travels lightly. They are endlessly playful, impulsive, hopeful, idealistic, and adventurous. The Fool reminds us that it's never too late to follow our dreams. The Fool takes necessary risks and leaps of faith in order to gain experience and have an adventure. They are unknowable and they strip away pretensions and solid answers. The Cliff represents a leap of faith. The rainbow represents multifaceted awareness and possibility, energy, and guidance from a higher power, as well as seeing things in the best possible light. The mountains represent challenges to overcome and accomplishments to reach, and the waterfall represents fluidity. Take a moment to settle into this meaning you've made. See how your exploration, your inquiry, your story feels in your body. See if any intentions or questions arise for continuing to explore this meaning in your life or in your art. Take another deep breath, and as you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for showing up to your creativity and to your inner voice. I wish you happy creating.